Where's Orion? Can you close the doors? Can you close the doors? Oh, where's Orion? Yay!
Away.
Can you close the doors? Can you close the doors? Can you open the doors? Oh, you. What's that face? Like snarl face. Can you smile?
Yeah.
You'll break the camera. Whoa. Where's the happy face? Where's the happy boy? Where's the happy boy? Where's the happy boy? Is that a happy boy? Daddy can make you be happy. What's Daddy doing?
I'm gonna go.
What is Daddy doing to you? Tickling you, huh?
In.
Yeah, tickling.
I'm gonna hide. Gonna hide Daddy. Gonna hide from Daddy. Gonna hide from Daddy.
Okay. Where's Orion? Where'd he go? There he is! Oh. Can you hide?
You. Action.
Where's Orion?
Yeah.
Oh! Ah! Oh, give Daddy a hug, huh? Thank you. No.
Mom. Can smile to Daddy.
Yeah, you gotta smile for the camera. You smile?
On the box.
You want that box, huh? Can you smile for Daddy? Maybe
On
Daddy.
this box.
Daddy will give you the box if you smile. No, you gotta smile first. Orion? You want that red box, huh? There's all kinds of junk in there. I think Daddy likes to keep that box. Daddy's box.
On this box.
You want this box? I don't think there's maybe just a watch in this one. Okay. You can have that box.
Have that box. Have that box.
Yeah, yours.
Open it. Open it.
You can open it. Orion, open.
Daddy, open. Daddy, open.
What? What? What do you want, Orion?
Daddy, open.
Daddy did it. No, gentle, gentle, gentle. No, it doesn't come off.
This one.
Yeah, it just stays there.
This Circle.
You can't pull it out. Well, you can pull it out apparently. There you go. Prove Daddy wrong on that one. It didn't take much at all. Yeah, just as good.
And this one.
Yeah.
The daddy opens. Get this one.